guys, so let's clean this up a bit. Let's see what's happening. So we're getting that impact coming in on the feet. I think that this, so if we go back to the rotation, we can rotate it forward a bit more. Let's see. And even, let's grab everything. Could even make it a little quicker. 26. Okay. That's not matching, is it? Yeah. Okay. Oh, let's see. Guess we could add a little bit of rotation. What we got here on the Y, 10. Then we could add minus 10. Sorry, 10 at the end. What am I doing? 10 at the end. And then minus 10 in the middle. And then let's check that out in the graph editor so we can get rid of. Okay. A little bit of rotation there. Maybe we can tone that down a bit. Bring it down a little bit. Yeah, so there's a little bit of rotation in there. Okay, and then of course let's check out the shoulders. Naturally, let's check this as flatten this all. I just got a feeling we can push this back a bit. And then this we can also flatten. We can even rotate this back. Delete this. Move this a bit back. You can always offset it later. I would keep this back a bit, still like that. Yeah. And even on the other arm, flatten. Select everything, press Control F. Sorry, Alt F or flatten here. And even here, I would delete this, flatten everything, go here, just have it carry on a bit, and we can, once we offset that, it'll add a bit more. That's back. Move that, so you're getting that. Okay, so you get that kind of heavy feeling. We don't need that. We can copy that to the end so it matches. Loop all this. This matches. That's fine. Shoulder is, oh, we'll do this. How can we forget that? There. Okay. Now with the arms, what we can do is we can start offsetting. So if we come here, we can be, oh, let's offset this by 1 and the wrist by 1, 2. Yeah, and then could even move that down as well, so it's giving that little bit of a, there, you see that you're getting that little wave now. There, you might not want to do too much, but still nice there, isn't it? The same with this, we can offset this by 1, offset the arm 1, 2. A little bit happening there. Move this back a bit. Getting that. Getting that thump. So you got that long straight and then poof, poof. That's why you feel that impact in there. Hit down, and then really this should be down. So if we go to, yeah, that should be down there. So we just zero that. There you get. And also we could, you know, the down pose here, we could have it a bit more down. Just creating that bouncing ball. Yeah, okay. So we got that working. So let's take a look. You know what, this one, I think this forearm could be back a bit more, could come in a bit more, like the other one. So we could bring that in a little bit. Yeah. And wrist, bring this wrist in a bit more. That one's going in. Bring it down. There, that's better. Then we can change like a bit of a heavy jog there, isn't it? But you see, it's the timing. It's just a bit more, and there's less space in the air. Impact is more on the legs. And then we'll start working on the head and the other stuff. We'll start polishing a bit more. So in the meantime, yeah, I'll see you in the next video. We'll polish some other stuff. Okay, guys.